Hello, everybody. Happy New Year. I'm Craig Collins with Sierra Pacific, and as always, I'm joined with Trish May of Keller Williams. Just to kind of kick the year off, we are doing a quick 2-minute kind of market update, real estate rundown. So just on the real estate side and on the mortgage side, I'll start things off with the financing side of things. What we can kind of expect is the Federal Reserve, their main goal this year is just to fight inflation. Everybody's heard it. Inflation levels are elevated, they're high, and the Fed's goal this year is to, bring them back down to a little bit more manageable levels. So the way they do that is we're going to expect probably 4 interest rate hikes. The first one's likely to be in March, followed by June, September, and December. So 4 of them throughout the year. Mortgage rates, they're likely to follow inflation, right? So at least in the beginning of the year, we're going to see rates continue to increase. When we get to the back end of the year, when these interest rate hikes hopefully take effect, we'll see rates to kind of, we can expect rates to come down a little bit, maybe lower and decline toward about 3%. So for the year of 2022, we can probably expect rates anywhere between 3 1/8 to about 3 1/2, which is, relatively speaking, still very competitive interest rates. It will shrink the buyer pool a little bit. So folks that have been out there shopping, it may lead to a little bit of relief as far as competition goes. So forecasting for 2022 is still very advantageous. It's a great time to finance a home. I think Trish is going to tell us a little bit about what the real estate side looks like and what it's like out there finding the home. Trish, can you kind of bring us up to speed?
Absolutely. So in 2022, we can all be relieved to hear that we do expect to have more inventory coming onto the market. That's great news. And while it is, I don't want to set the expectation up that it's going to be the buyer utopia. We're hardly switching into a buyer's market. It's still going to be an extremely strong seller's market. We do have, the statistics show that we have 45 million millennials who are in that first home buying age range, mid-20s to mid-30s. So, the fact that we have so many is going to help to keep the real estate market hot and heavy again, though maybe with slightly less competition, as we can all hope for.
Awesome. Exciting news. Again, Craig Collins with Sierra Pacific Mortgage, joined with Trish May of Keller Williams, and just a brief update on what to expect this year in 2022. Thanks, everybody.